Andhra Pradesh. Capital of Andhra Pradesh. Capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati. Official language of Andhra Pradesh. Official language of Andhra Pradesh is Telugu. Official dance in Andhra Pradesh. Official dance in Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi. Longest river in Andhra Pradesh is Godavari. Largest city in Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam. Total area in Andhra Pradesh is 1,62,975 kilometers square. Total districts in Andhra Pradesh is 26. Coastal line for Andhra Pradesh is 975 kilometers. Highest waterfall in Andhra Pradesh is Talakona waterfall near Tirupati, 270 feet, and 82 meter. Largest thermal power plant in Andhra Pradesh. Damodaram Sanjeevayya thermal power plant in Krishnapatnam, Nellore district. Highest dam in Andhra Pradesh, Srisailam Dam in Kurnool district. Longest dam in AP, Polavaram project. Polavaram project in East Godavari district. Largest airport in Andhra Pradesh, Vizag International Airport or Visakhapatnam International Airport in Visakhapatnam district. Oldest airport in Andhra Pradesh, Renigunta International Airport. Most populous city in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. Largest port in Andhra Pradesh is Vizag Port or Visakhapatnam Port. Largest railway platform in Andhra Pradesh is Vijayawada Junction. 7th platform is the longest railway platform in the Andhra Pradesh. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.